you guys want some dozer content, you're getting some dozer content today. Not a topsoil video, somewhat, half-half. Basically what needs to be done is there's some dryer material that's hard to access just with the loader. So I'm gonna, well, that's the loader there, but the dozer's in behind here. I'm gonna hop in it and move some material for Al. All right, so here's the 450 John Deere. Got freshly painted up there last winter. I'm gonna take all this material, push it this way, get it done. All right, I haven't ran this dozer in a while, but I do love running the dozer. It's kind of my baby. Did a lot of parking lots with it before. Let's get her. No backblading. So we've been pushing, but I'm running into this big chunk of clay that I do not like and I really don't want to put in the soil. This stuff here, it's like a sandy clay. It's weird. I don't know how to describe that. There's Al. That's that. So I'll probably set back up and just start trying to grab this whole thing back this way. All right, came up with a game plan. I'm gonna switch back over there, move over that material. This stuff still needs some time to dry out, believe it or not, because we got rain, it's been saturated, so let's move over there. Okay, so you guys just watched me move all that. I'm currently sliding down this conveyor belt. Wow, this is a very efficient way of getting down. Okay, I'm good. Whoa! All right. So I just moved all that stuff. Problem being, It's a lot wet underneath, but the good thing is this week's supposed to be nice and dry. Oh, I don't know what I was doing sitting down. I don't have time to sit down. But yeah, this stuff's still somewhat wet, so I'll let it dry out the rest of the week. And I think what we're gonna have to do is break into another pile back here that Al can get into. But he's getting a nice mixing pile made up. It's just hard because we got 2 triaxles hauling in and out all day of topsoil, and I don't want to get behind, but I don't want to get too far ahead and end up making wet topsoil for it to sit. Wet topsoil's no good. Just looks a little wet, eh? You know? Yeah. Like I know that once this stuff dries, it'll be fine. But it just needs to get some sun down on it first, you know. But then maybe we'll try over, like I said, we'll try over that clean fill pile. Okay, yeah. So we'll move over to the clean fill pile and do that. All right, let's do it. All right, we're moving over clean fill. Hopefully you guys can hear me all right. I'll probably have to talk loud, but going down an incline here. Woo! This dozer we've had since 2001. We got it freshly painted about last year, like I said. I've done 4-acre parking lots, tons of parking lot jobs with this dozer. I truly love running the dozer. I think it's a great machine. It's loud in the cab, so I probably won't spend too much time talking to you guys in here. But we're gonna go move some more material for Al, get up on this big pile here, and get her done.
Young, or am I faking? On the tip of my tongue there's a sarcasm waiting for you. I'm willing to trade my soul for a bit of your charm. There's no way I'll fade into oblivion, 'cause I'll keep shining over you.
This stuff here is really nice. We're into some good material. I'm gonna probably scooch over more this way. I ran into a nice vein here. This stuff here is nice mixing stuff with. So I'll probably move over this way a little more. Get a nice view from up here though. See the operation. There's my office, my truck, loader, screener. Beautiful up here. Beauty, beauty, beauty. All right, so I actually ended the video, but then I just saw that we had a bunch of fresh new bee gravel over here. So what I'm gonna do is probably put about 40 ton from about here over to the end and just bring up this, because what happens when it rains now is the water all pools here and it's rough and bumpy, and I know it's obviously raining now so you can't tell, but it gets incredibly dusty here, and we've done calcium and everything, but that's something you have to keep reapplying. So if you get a nice base of gravel here, at least that'll keep some of the dust down and it'll elevate it up enough so the water gets away. So I'm gonna mount the camera up and we're gonna get some gravel down on this. Al's gonna bring me over some. Raining pretty good. We're gonna drop the first load here. that's gonna make a lot of people mad, and I don't know why, but I'm about to backblade. Now, here's my thing about backblading without going on real too quick about it. I was always taught, you know, if you're rough grading and stuff, yeah, obviously you're not gonna backblade massive quantities of soil or gravel, material, whatever you're doing with the dozer. But when you're doing something that's a finished product, the only way to get rid of your track marks so it's completely smooth is to back drag. Unless I'm missing something, I don't understand that whole argument. So I'm sure someone down in the comments below will tell me, but honestly, if you are just using the dozer, there's no other way that I can think of to get your track marks to disappear. You'll always have track marks going forward, and I don't want a roadway that's like go. So I'm about to backblade this whole thing. So for everyone who hates backblading, you're gonna really enjoy this. Cool, finish that up, let's look at it. So it was actually just some leftover beef from a road access that we used down on a school job. So we ended up getting it. There's a little piece of the tarp that we laid down underneath. But it's just a better base than what it was. Won't get as dusty, and at least now there's gravel down on this so that we can at least drive over maybe a couple times on it, just to resurface it as kind of potholes and stuff, because in the Canadian climate the weather keeps changing and it heaves and hoes and you get potholes and stuff like that. So at least now there's a base on top of it that we can put the loader bucket down and just kind of grade up. But turned out really good. Al, don't do a shit job. Never. I want you guys to let me know if you want to see some more dozer content. I know we're at the yard, but we do have a dozer job coming up in the next couple weeks. Fairly substantial dozer job. So if you guys want to see that, comment down below, say we want to see the dozer. That's the best way, honestly, for you guys to tell me. I know a lot of guys, like, it helps, obviously it does help with engagement, and I want you guys to comment and stuff like that, but that's really the best way for you guys to tell me exactly what you want to see, when you want to see it, what machines, everything. So don't be afraid down below to tell me exactly what you guys want to see. Less of Taylor, more of machines. I agree. Also, I want to mention, we hit 8,000 subscribers. Well, we're at 8,500. Hopefully we hit 10K by the end of the month. So make sure you subscribe so we do hit that 10K at the end of the month. Hit your thumbs up button. Triaxle's back for another load of soil. Appreciate it. Catch you guys on the next one. No, I didn't forget about you guys, the true patrons of the channel that watch the entire video to the very end, which is literally right now. So if you did, I want you guys to comment down below, doze it. Why doze it? Because we're sitting here in the dozer and we're dozing it. Appreciate it, guys. Catch you on the next one.